Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Kevin Adrian Shah. I am from Faculty of Psychology. My name is 2124090190. This is my task 14 about what is cultural diversity and why is it important. Okay, let's start it. The things you do and the practice you were taught inform who you become. Culture is a broad term that encompasses beliefs, values, norms, behaviors, and overall can be understood as our way of being. When you go into the world, you will come into contact with people from different backgrounds and walks of life. It's a good rule of thumb to honor cultural diversity with your action. So, what is cultural diversity and why does it matter? Let's get into the details of how cultural diversity can take shape in professional settings, within educational institutions, and overall in most aspects of life. Cultural diversity defined. Cultural diversity is synonymous with multiculturalism. Multiculturalism is defined by the Encyclopedia Britannica as the view that cultures, race, and ethnicities, particularly those of minority groups, deserve special acknowledgement of their difference within a dominant political culture. The importance of cultural diversity can be interpreted on the basis of this related action. First is recognizing that there is a large amount of cultures that exist. Two, respecting each other's difference. Three, acknowledging that all cultural expressions are valid. Four, valuing what culture have to bring to the table. Five, empowering the first groups to contribute. Six, celebrating difference, not just tolerating them. Cultural diversity looks like this. First, in a workplace, having a multilingual team, having a diverse range of age working together, having policies that are vocally against discrimination, and the other. In a school setting, like having students from all over the world, like at the University of the People, being accepting of all religious practices and traditions that students partake in, supporting students to share that cultures with one another and the other. The importance of cultural diversity in education. Cultural diversity is important in every setting in life, but it can be even more pivotal when it happens within education. Students around the world have the right to equal access of quality education, and as such, there are many upsides that come along with it when institutions believe in the power of diversity. Cultural diversity in education helps to support. First, deep learning. Learning happens within the curriculum and outside of it. With a diverse students population, students have the privilege of gaining more understanding about people and backgrounds from all others. This also contributes to diversity of thought and perspectives that make learning to more interesting and dynamic. Second is confidence and growth. When students participate with people from varied cultures, it provides them with more confidence in dealing with things outside of their comfort zones. It can build strength of character, pride, and confidence. Uh, Third is preparation for the future. If a workplace has done the necessary work, it's bound to be culturally diverse. Attending a culturally diverse institute of education will prepare students for their futures in workplace. Fourth is more empathy. Interacting with people who have diverse practice, beliefs, life experience, and culture promotes empathy. While you can never fully understand someone's life without being them, you can learn, listen, and understand. Benefits of cultural diversity: the world is naturally multicultural. Approaching cultural diversity with a mindset and action that embrace these facts leads to many benefits like compassion, communication, and understanding of difference leads to increased compassion instead of judgment. Innovation, varied perspective and lens of looking at the world lend to innovative thinking. Productivity, people who come together and bring their own style of working together tend to support a more productive team. New opportunities, diversity opens the door to new opportunities and the blending of ideas which would otherwise have been homogeneous. Problem solving, challenges are layered, so having people with different backgrounds can lead to better problem solving with richness of opinions. How to support cultural diversity? Individuals and institutions alike have the agency to support cultural diversity. If you are unsure how you can take action to do so, consider these ideas. Interact with people outside of your culture. Be open-minded to listen and let go of judgment. If you see anyone who is being culturally insensitive, speak out against it. Accept that differences are beneficial and not harmful. Don't force your beliefs on people with opposing views. Advocate to hire people or work with people who are not within your same culture. How people support diversity? The University of the Peoples was founded with the mission of offer accessible educational that's affordable to students from the entire global. We believe that our difference brings strength and can help to promote world peace just like education. That's why we have a global student body with students attending our online degree programs from over 200 countries and territories. While our institution is set up to be affordable to all because programs are tuition free, we also extend specific scholarship that help to grow cultural diversity. Cultural diversity is worth celebrating. The world is filled with people who have different beliefs, religions, traditions, and way of living. It is within our difference that we can find beauty, both of educational and professional environments. Cultural diversity benefits everyone. It paves the way to better problem solving, more empathy and compassion, deepened learning, and approaches the world from various perspectives. Just like that, my name is Muhammad Kevin Adriansyah. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.